He jumps out of the way. He's good. He's a good brother.
Good job, bud. She likes it. She's practicing her brakes.
Yeah, good bike, huh? Good biker.
Really practicing those brakes on the way back. That's a good thing.
I love how he runs. That's cute, Bill.
Okay, well maybe she'll actually ride it now that the train wheels are lower.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Good job, Maddie.
You did it, Maddie.
A lot better with the That's What To Be.